Welcome back to the fifth match in round one of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently read Mcauley Primary on 23 points and Hagley Park Preparatory on 10 points. It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the NCB Omni Educator clock. We begin with local affairs. This will be a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Hagley Park.
The Red Sox.
Incorrect. Member of Parliament, Dr. Maurice Guy. Sports. Who defeated Serena Williams in the finals of the 2019 Wimbledon tennis tournament? Mcauley Primary.
Naomi Osaka.
Naomi Osaka.
Incorrect. Simona Halep. Bible knowledge. How many times did Jesus tell his disciples they had to forgive? Mcauley.
70 times. No, 70 times 7.
70 times
7.
70 times 7 is correct. Science. Complete this statement with the correct words. Living things need blank, blank, and blank. Hagley Park.
Carbon dioxide, water, and air.
To survive, incorrect, it's air, water, and food. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of rational. Hagley Park.
Irrational.
Irrational.
Correct. Music. How many notes are on a musical scale? Hagley Park.
5.
Incorrect. 8. General knowledge. What is Jamaica's highest court? Hagley Park.
$20.
$20.
Incorrect. The Privy Council. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Mcauley.
Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan.
Repeat for me.
Jackie Chan.
Incorrect. Jackie Chan. No G. Mathematics. A rectangle has an area of 24 centimeters square and a perimeter of 20 centimeters. What is the length and width of the rectangle, respectively? 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Social studies. The town of Maypen in Jamaica was originally a plantation settlement set up on the banks of which river? Hagley Park.
Milk River.
Incorrect. Rio Minnow. Television. Which cartoon character gained fame for his question, "What's up, Doc?" Mcauley.
Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny.
Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Mcauley.
Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Who was chosen to replace the fallen disciple Judas? Hagley Park.
Bartholomew.
Incorrect. Matthias. Science. What is the modern name for windmills that produce electricity? Hagley Park.
Wind turbines.
Correct. English language. Spell the 5-letter word starting with G and ending with H, which means to grind your teeth together. Hagley Park.
Grind.
Incorrect. The answer is Nash, Gnash. Music. To which specific member of the family of music instruments does the clarinet belong? Hagley Park.
Brass wind.
Incorrect. Woodwind. General knowledge. What are the last 4 words of the Jamaica national anthem? Mcauley Primary.
Jamaica land we love.
Jamaica land we love.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Mcauley Primary on 27 points and Hagley Park Primary on -2 points. So congratulations to Mcauley Primary. and well tried to Hagley Park Primary. Please stay with us. We'll end after this.